Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. So I'm just going to explain you one of my recent swing trades which I took recently. The stock is IRB Infrastructure. This has been on my watch list for a very long time, ever since this 2021. I mean 2 years back. So there was a huge resistance from this line, and ever since then I was just watching it. Okay, and then it went up. There was a gap, kind of a wick at the top, and then there was a sideways trend right around the resistance, and then there was a breakout. This green candle is when I was watching it carefully. The reason why I did not enter is because I was really worried about this huge wick. This is a huge sell off, right? So I wanted a candle right around this area which closes very close strongly. So this is when I started buying, okay, last month. When it started to close little bit stronger, this is when I started buying. Okay, then I realized, okay, this is quite strong, this is really a breakout. Because here, if you look at this month there is a huge sell off. This month also there was a huge sell off, so there was a chance that it could come here, test it again, and then go up. So I was not taking any position, but once this 35 line is broken, okay, so I figured out, okay, this is a strong breakout. Okay, this is quite late, but I was late because of a reason. Okay, I did not enter because of this past data. So these are the small things that you have to carefully consider. Yes, you could have entered here also 27 and put your stop loss here, which is quite small. But again, I didn't want to take the risk because of this wick. If there was no wick, and if there was just a candle like this, it ends here, and if there is a consolidation, a smooth consolidation is fine. But a wick at the top and then a consolidation is not not a very good thing. You have to be very careful. So this is why I did not enter right here only. So yeah, that is why I waited until there was a nice close around this wick. So 35, I'll show you 35.86. My average price rose up to 35.86. Right now it's at 40. I think I made around 13% so far. I think I'll hold for some more time. If this is still a potential stock, guys. The reason is this pattern, it has broken out of a 13-year-old pattern. Okay, so any pattern which has taken a 10-year or 12-year or something like that, it has a long way to go, like 50%, 60% at least minimum. If you look at the Tata Power, PFC, what else, there are a lot of stock, even not PTC, REC. If you look at all the stocks that has given a multi-year breakout, it has moved like 100%, 150%. So we are not looking to capture all that more. Even if we get like 40 to 50%, that's more than enough. That's what I'm looking at. Probably I'll close around 35-40% or maybe 50%. Let's see how it all depends on the price action and how it is forming. I think the verified PNL can be posted only if it's closed. I'm not very sure of it. If it can be posted even when I'm holding it, let me know, guys. I'll be happy to post that. And also I'm planning to post my 1 year profit and loss statement. Just comment yes if you want it as a next video. And yeah, so that would be all, guys. And I hope you learned something from this video. I think this is after a long time I've posted a swing trade on this channel. So it's good to upload such videos. You will be coming across many videos like this. So make sure to like this video, comment if you have any doubts, and also subscribe and click that bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. That would be all, guys. And again, IRB, wait for some kind of a consolidation if you want. This is not an advice, this is not a call, this is just an analysis video. I just want to be clear. If let's see, there is a trend line, correct? So what could happen is where is that scribbling? It's been so long I scribbled. No, it's been a so long time. I almost forgot where it is right now. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, If it tries to come back here, this is the place, 37 is the place you can add. Even if it comes here, I may also add. Okay, so but again, who knows, it can just keep going up, you never know. That's how stock market works. Or maybe it can come to this area and go again, so you just have to be prepared for everything. If you look at this is a very good breakout here also. But as I said, my main trade for this trade, I mean, my main reason for to take this trade is because of the monthly pattern and not the daily. Okay, although it has worked here, but the main catalyst behind this move is the monthly breakout. Okay, obviously the fundamentals again. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to go into that, but yeah, main reason is the monthly time frame breakout. Okay. Yes, that would be all. See you soon with another nice video.